So with Forex itself, it's obviously not a scam.
It's probably just due to lack of knowledge that people, they invest in things that they don't even understand. If their investment did not turn out to be as promised, then they think that the investment is a scam.
But I think what makes it a scam is because of certain people who try to pull in funds and then they promise this ridiculous amounts of returns and then all of a sudden they run away with it. I'm Sachi Toriano, founder of Global Markets Eruditio and country manager of IFS Markets Philippines.
I'm Tarek Tensman, founder of Limitless PH Trading Academy. So we have here the most common myths about Forex trading that we are going to debunk.
Forex trading is easy. This is a myth, yeah. It's a myth. I would say you have to know it first. I'd say you have to understand the basics all the way to your most comfortable strategy, and at least you have to understand the reasons why the market even moves and the prices even move the way they do before you consider it as easy.
My opinion is that Forex trading, as well as anything in life that's worth having, is not easy. So you just have to give time. You just have to focus on learning whatever is it that you want to do. Be it Forex trading, be it business, whatever it is, it's not easy. You just have to give time. You have to give attention, and then there you can actually make money from it. You can double or triple your money or your trading capital within one day.
You can actually. So it's not all of a myth, but I think it's more of a very risky move to make. It's possible, but it's very risky because we're talking about doubling your capital in the first place, right? So in order to do that, you have to risk almost your entire account as well. If that's the case, then there is a bigger chance that you will burn up your entire account. So this can be possible, but hopefully you
It's
don't.
plausible, but too risky.
Yeah, too risky. So
You can be a millionaire overnight.
Capital has a lot to do with this market. The amount of gold that you have should literally attach to your capacity to capitalize in the market.
Well, you can be a millionaire overnight if you started with $900,000, but if we're talking about starting with a $5,000 capital and turning it into millions, that's just illogical and impossible. You can simply follow what others are doing or trading. So this is basically copy trading. Well, yes, you can definitely do that, but it's not going to last you for long. Why? Because copy trading is basically giving you the positions in the market, but you're not always going to be around that person that you're trusting that's giving you the trading signals. So yes, they may be able to help you for a short while, but then after a couple of months, you'll realize that person is winning and you are losing because you're not able to follow all the trades that he actually did. So this is a myth for me.
My thoughts on this, basically I think it depends highly on your goal. So first, if you consider Forex more as a business, I don't recommend that you go with this, because it's like doing business where you just copy your competitor. It's not good. If you really want to earn as much as you want from this business, then you have to learn it, right? It's not good that you just keep following someone until one day they blow up your account.
Yep.
And then you're gonna blame them or the broker or the market.
Blame game.
Yeah. It's never gonna work when your business is on a blame kind of game, right? When you lose. So instead of following whoever you think is the best in the market, try to learn it yourself and then start to follow some steps from them, but always take the best out of those tips or steps and make your own. I think that's always the best way to go. Forex trading is a scam. Forex in general is foreign exchange. Like you go to the bank, you exchange your money literally. You exchange your dollar into euros and that's accepted, it's legal. So with Forex itself, it's obviously not a scam. But I think what makes it a scam is because of certain people or individuals who try to pull in funds and use Forex trading as a way of inviting people over to give them money, and then they promise this ridiculous amounts of returns, and then all of a sudden they run away with it. I think that's what makes it a scam. People taking advantage of potential profits. What do you think?
I totally agree with you. In my opinion is that it's probably just due to lack of knowledge, that people, they invest in things that they don't even understand. If their investment did not turn out to be as promised, then they think that the investment is a scam.
Yeah, like the industry as a whole. Right?
The Forex market is really, really risky. It's risky because you don't know what you're doing. It's risky because you don't have risk management. It's risky because you just follow the trend. You just follow whatever other people are saying about a currency pair or a commodity or whatever that is that you're trading. Forex market has a tendency to really be risky because the fluctuations of the market can actually make you lose money if you don't have a proper risk management. It is risky as well as anything else. Even business, even job, even anything in this world, even relationships are risky if you don't know exactly what you're doing.
This myth right here is very subjective. Number one, it's subjective because everyone has different understanding of risk appetite. But I totally agree with Tarek when he said that everything is a risk. It goes the same way with trying out a new business. It goes the same way with trying out a new form of investment. But if you find out what you're doing and you put your heart into it, like you really learn that kind of thing, then you actually minimize the risk. So for me, honestly, the Forex market is only as risky as your commitment to understanding it. For me, my fair game for this myth is that it is a myth because risk is really subjective, so I won't really agree with this myth. For the first time, we kind of contradicted.
Yeah, for the first time.
Yeah, and that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Right? So, that's it. The best part about the Forex market is that it's very diverse, it's very liquid, and it's a very good avenue for one to diversify his portfolio. And especially these times when crashes are all over the place, it's good to make Forex trading or Forex investment as one of your baskets.
Before you do enter the Forex market, make sure that you educate yourself.